getting ready to decorate for Valentine's Day. I'm starting in the dining room, and I have the shelf above the window all cleaned off. I get all of my seasonal stuff and I lay it out on the table, and then I just go shopping and put all the things up. Decorating did not go as planned. I ended up finishing over a couple or 3 days, so I didn't get to film all of it, but I did film the end result, which I will share in a bit. I got this sign at Ross on clearance several years ago for $3. And this is a Christmas ornament, but it works for Valentine's Day too. I love the little painting of the house on the back. It says to Aunt Anne, and the date was 1930 something. It's one of those old things that I like to decorate with. I mix them in with the newer ones. The 3 little glass bluebirds belong to my mom, as did the counted cross stitch, and I thought they looked pretty together. I got the little heart picture at a yard sale. The glass jar contains my grandkids' rock collection. They bring me pretty rocks when they find them, and we put them in the jar so they don't get lost all over the house. And of course I have to have some kind of cat decoration. Valentine's decor for this year. It's not fancy, but I like it. Okay. So it is Sunday morning. Usually I make a to-do list on Saturday, but I was working hard on the pantry yesterday, so I made my list today. It's going to be a lot of working at my desk because I have to get my tax stuff ready for the CPA. So haven't done taxes while having a daycare, so I have a lot to learn, but I think I'm hitting the categories that I need to, so I'm gonna do more research and see how that comes out. I've already made the menu for our food and the daycare food, so I need to input that and print it out so I can post it for the week. So I'm just going to get started and see how much more I can get done. Here is the meal plan for the week. I was trying to keep the budget super low, so I shopped the freezer and we had a lot of breakfast for dinner. And this is my daycare meal plan. I ended up changing a lot of it because some of the things that I was going to make ahead of time didn't happen because I came down with a cold and I was super tired, so I didn't get a whole lot done that was on that list from the beginning of this video, and that's okay. I'll get to it later. My husband decided that we needed to replace the dog stairs that went up to the bed. We have 2 large dogs and 1 small dog, and he decided that a ramp would be a good solution. So we ordered these from Amazon, and we're going to see how it works.
Do you want to try this before I screw that little part on?
What do you mean try it?
See if they'll use it. To have them try it. It's you. Nookie.
Come on, Jess. Come on, Jess.
Come on, Jess.
Get up here. Come on, baby.
Jess.
Get up there.
Come on.
Get up there.
Look, right here.
Right there.
Oh, Jess, a good girl. Come on. Come on, Grace.
She's
Come
not
here.
here about it.
Sherry's gonna do it.
Come on, Chip. Gracie.
Come on.
Come on,
big
Grace.
ducks.
Grace.
Come on, Jess. Big ducks out. Big ducks out.
Well, Jesse needs to try.
Come
Gracie.
on, Jess. Come on, Gracie. Go.
Go.
Go,
Get
Gracie.
there.
Go.
Come
Right
on.
over there.
Come on. Gracie. Come on.
Here. Come here.
You might have to put her on it.
Here you go.
See that it's okay.
Watch, Gracie.
Okay.
Give it up.
Here.
She's like, no, the heck.
Come on, Grace. Oh, it's a steep mountain, Dad.
Come on, Grace.
Yay! Good girl.
Jesse, take over.
Yeah. Good girl. Go. Go. Whoa, Tubby. Almost. Good girl. Yay! You guys are doing good. You like it? Hope Dad doesn't stub his toesies. Yeah.